Before I go, I don't know if it is Hatchay or Krabi. I eat first here. I eat my breakfast. So I eat this macaroni cheese with sausage. I always eat here. Then coffee latte. So you see, it's a very good food. Okay, so let's eat. So this is my breakfast for today. Macaroni cheese with sausage. Okay. Kailangan with customer. So, ang basura dapat ilagay sa tamang lagayan. So, this is my food for today. So, every time I'm here, every time I go here in Thailand, I go to 7-Eleven and then this is the one that I eat. Ito lagi yung kinakain natin. So, let's eat. It's a good morning. After this, pupunta ako ng, hindi ko alam kung Krabi or Hatchay. Kung nandun na ako siguro, maybe I will decide. One place yung puntahan natin. Three hours. Cheesy, di ba? Bye-bye muna mga kakain. Ay, kagala.